Hey good people, it's Devereaux, and today I'm going to attempt to do a braid out on my locks for the very first time. When I tell you, I don't really do much to my hair, especially when it was in the beginning stages, because I didn't want to put too much tension on my locks. I just let them be. So the most I did was maybe like those two space buns or Mickey Mouse ears. So I'm about to wash my hair and then I'll show you guys my braiding process. And then yeah, tomorrow we'll take it down. I'm gonna let it dry overnight. And I'm low-key excited to see, how my babies look with a little wave, little